Hello there everyone and welcome back to my leisure home. My name is Shane and I'm about to take you on a tour of this beautiful Willerby Pinehurst behind us. This is a 40 by 20 3-bedroom lodge and it's sited on the Barkham Manor just on the outskirts of Skegness. It's built to residential specification. It has the front and side deck which overlooks the Barkham Manor Lake, which is just behind me here, look. As you can probably hear that fountain in the background. Free fishing for all owners, and it is a private lake, so there's no other fishing on here other than the owners. Okay, the price of this lodge, including 2026 site fees, is just $84,997. We'll go over a look around the plot and lodge now. Okay, so as you can see then, the lodge has come up really clean. It's just been delivered to park and had a jet wash. It's come from another park, this one. And again, it's a 40 by 20 residential spec 2017 model. That's the view from the front of your lodge. Again, with that lovely fountain running just there. That does turn off of an evening. Now, you've got a car park space just there in this grass area just here. Now, we're going to have a look around the lodge itself. So, again, with being a 3-bedroom as well, you'd normally expect, obviously, with most holiday homes, for there not to be much room, but with this being a 40 by 20, the 3 bedrooms can come in handy. As we go in, this is an absolute must for a lot of people, especially when you've got dogs, is this utility room as you walk in. So there's a place here just to sit down, kick off your shoes and hang your coats up here. Your boiler cupboard just here behind that door there, and then there's a place to hang your coats in there as well. But it's a vinyl floor in here, and again, great for them dogs, especially with this being in the countryside and them countryside walks. Just going to do a quick pan round and we'll start in the kitchen, but you'll see just how much room there is in here, and the space is used really well. So, we'll start off here. And that there is your 70-30 split fridge freezer. You've then got your integrated microwave, your grill and your oven just below. There's a storage cupboard up there, and then the one below just there, that is your washing machine, which actually doubles as a washer dryer. Just there, that is your dishwasher, and then all this storage along this kitchen side here, and loads of worktop space as well as that breakfast bar. There's a 4-hob gas cooker with your glass splashback there. Very easy to say that one. I'll give it a go yourself. And then you've got your sliding patio door just here behind your breakfast bar, and just look at that view. Over this side then, you've got your big bay windows pulling in all that natural light and taking advantage of your lakeside view here. And then we've got your 3- and 2-seater sofas in the living room as well. Electric fire just there with that lovely log burning effect. And you can either warm out your television, put it above your fire, or put in the corner just there as well. And then there's a 6-seater dining room table just over here with that lovely hanging light just above. Again, this is a perfect lodge with plenty of space to make this one your own. So when you put your own touch on this one, make it homely. It'll be absolutely fantastic, especially on them lovely evenings looking over that water there. So what we're going to do first then, we'll start off in the guest bedroom at the back just here. So it is, although it's a guest bedroom, it's still got a double bed in here. Reading lights either side. Headboard surrounded with plug sockets either side as well. Attic space just up here. Place to wall mount your television with your vanity table and stool just below. And then a nice big wardrobe there to store your clothes. Now over this side, this will be called the master room, and the reason being is it's got a king size ottoman bed, so there's underbed storage. Plug sockets either side again with the reading lights. And then just behind this door here, we've got a walk-in wardrobe with loads of storage. Plenty of room in there to keep all your stuff. Place to wall mount a television just up here, with your vanity table, mirror and stool just below, and your plug socket just there. And then you've actually got an ensuite shower room. So you've got your basin just here, mirror just above, cabinet above the toilet, and a nice big corner shower shelved in there as well. And then over the other side, we'll have a look at the master bathroom. And this is beautiful. So there's loads of storage, as you can see. A countersunk basin, a nice big mirror, spotlights just above. And then this beauty, you've got a full-size bath tucked away just here. Lovely boarded surrounding. Shower head as well with your shower, your glass shower protector just there. And that is your full-size bathroom. Then on the opposite side of the hall, you've got these two full-size single beds, plug sockets in the middle, light just above here, another stool, vanity table with your mirror just there, and then behind the door just here, you've got your wardrobe. So nice big wardrobe again. So again, this is on the Barkham Manor. 2026 site fees included at just $84,997. One little feature I did forget to add in is it does also have Bluetooth speakers in here as well in that ceiling. So for any more information, contact Shane at myleisureHome.co.uk. Call me on 01754 252 889 or on 07425 77 3030. Thanks for watching, guys.